Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube watch history showing video then never watch history video or YouTube watch history video problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tab in YouTube application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your YouTube app. Step 4. Again open your YouTube app. Click on profile picture. Click on history. Again click on history video. You can follow all 3 steps to fix YouTube watch history video showing then never watch history video. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.